vha bva kha masia o fhambanaho vhoṱhe vho ṱangana afha u lingedza u wana thandululo ya khaedu dzo ḓiswaho nga tshanduko dza kilima musi therisano dzi tshi khou ralo bvela phanḓa vha mashango o kwameaho vho ḓo ri navho maipfi a pfhalevho.
We are here at COP27 where we want to address our leaders so that they move away from investing in gas, which is a fossil fuel which has caused climate change.
The solution is to go back to our culture, to go back with our real love.
Nendelene muhulwane wa ḽino shango vha ri hu na mbuno nnzhi dzine dza khou pfala.
For developing countries, we have always said that we want a financing facility, and the other side, which is the developed countries, they are not agreeing to that. They're saying, let's look at what is currently happening. Let's look at insurances and all those things. But for us, we are very clear that there is no finance to address loss and damage.
Lona ḽine Khuvhangano iya khou farelwa khaḽo ḽi tenda uri vha ḓo swikelela thendelano pheleledzoni yazwo. Minista wa mveledziso ya ikonomi vhane vha dovha vha mudzulatshidulo wa sovereign fund henefha Egipta vha ri mashango a fanela u ḓikumedzela kha therisano idzi.
The whole government and all agencies of the state, they all mobilized all efforts during the past year in order to have this COP with this attendance, level of attendance, and with this content, also the quality of content, the quality of sessions, the representations of all leaders from all around the world, and also with the initiatives that the government of Egypt have presented during the COP that were very vast and diverse in different areas, from climate sensitive to decent life for resilient Africa, to the greening the national investment plan, to water desalination projects, to green hydrogen projects. So we have a huge number of projects, a huge number of initiatives, and we're very proud to host this on behalf of the African continent.
Vha muvhuso wa ḽino shango vha ri u vha na fhungo ḽa ndozwo na tshinyalelo kha mafhungo ane a ḓo reriwa ngaho ndi ḽiga ḽo faraho yone nḓila.
On the other hand, not really a lot of progress on the critical issue of financing and, of course, on the responsibilities of developed countries to assist developing countries. But it was a good start, and it's good to see that at least in the spoken word, we weren't experiencing backsliding from developed countries. I think we have been concerned.
Khaedu idzi dza tshanduko ya kilima dzi khou ambiwa nga hadzo na kha Khuvhangano ya mashango a G20 phala Indonesia.